Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how you can organize your tasks by due date in Todoist. This is a great way to increase productivity, so let's get started. First off, you'll want to open up your Todoist app or the web version and navigate to the Tasks page. Now that we've done that, click on the Add Task button to create a new task. The reason we do this is to demonstrate how we can organize these tasks by their due dates. Once you've added your task, it's time to set a due date. Click on Schedule and pick your preferred date from the calendar that pops up. This helps us because it allows us to categorize tasks according to when they need to be completed. Now, you might be wondering, how do I see my tasks in the order of their due dates? Well, that's where our next step comes in. Look for the Sort icon, usually located towards the top right of your tasks list. Click on it and select By Due Date. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Todoist is now arranging all your tasks from the earliest due date to the latest. It's a great way to see what needs your attention first. And finally, for tasks with the same due dates, you may want to organize them by priority. Click on the task and select Priority. Choose between P1 for high priority down to P4 for low priority. The reason we do this is to differentiate tasks that are due on the same day but have different levels of urgency. So there you have it, a quick and easy way to organize your tasks by due date in Todoist. Remember, the key to managing your tasks effectively is to keep them organized and prioritized. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.